Before we start, if you're someone who feels mentally tired, overwhelmed, or just trying to stay strong every day, this space is for you. Don't forget to subscribe, because here we talk about real life, real struggles, and real healing. Mental exhaustion begins where silence replaces clarity, and your mind keeps running even when your body has stopped. You're not always tired because of work alone. You're tired because your mind has been carrying unresolved thoughts for too long. Sometimes the greatest sign of mental exhaustion is not breaking down, but slowly losing interest in everything that once gave you joy. When your mind is overloaded, even small tasks feel impossible, not because they are difficult, but because your mental capacity is already full. Mental exhaustion is the price of constant overthinking without release. How to begin healing mental exhaustion? Healing starts when you stop treating rest as a reward and start treating it as a necessity. You cannot fix a tired mind while continuing the same cycle that drained it. Something must change, not just your energy, but your environment, your habits, and your boundaries. One of the first steps is silence, because a mind that is always consuming noise never gets the chance to reset. You begin recovery when you learn to say no without guilt, because every unnecessary yes adds weight to your mental load. And even when progress feels slow, remember that mental recovery does not move in a straight line. Some days you will feel lighter, and other days the weight will return. But that does not mean you are going backwards. It simply means you are still in the process of rebuilding. Be patient with yourself in ways the world may not be. Not everyone will understand the battles happening inside your mind, but you do not need validation to heal. What you need is consistency in choosing peace over pressure, even when it feels uncomfortable at first. There will be moments when you want to escape into distraction, overthink everything, or isolate yourself completely. In those moments, pause and remind yourself, you are not your thoughts, and you do not have to obey every feeling that passes through your mind. Protect your energy like something valuable, because it is. Not every conversation deserves your attention. Not every opinion deserves your reaction, and not every situation deserves your emotional involvement. Slowly, as you begin to reduce what enters your mind, you will notice something subtle but powerful. Clarity starts returning, focus starts rebuilding, and your inner noise begins to soften. And when that happens, do not rush to fill the silence again. Learn to sit in it. Because peace is not the absence of activity, it is the absence of unnecessary mental noise. So keep going gently, keep choosing rest without guilt, keep stepping back when needed, and trust that every small act of self-protection is quietly rebuilding the strongest version of you.